Tomorrow is Ghana versus Nigeria, the Unity Cup. People are reacting, and you're going to be dropping your predictions under the comment section. How do you think this match is going to end? Do you think it will end in a 1-1 draw? Or do you think Ghana will give Nigeria 4-0? Or do you think Super Eagles will bounce back? Let's watch people's reaction on Ghana versus Nigeria Unity Cup tomorrow.
Guys, by May 2025, Ghana, Jamaica, Nigeria, and Trinidad will be in London for the Unity Cup. First up, we've got Trinidad and Tobago versus Jamaica. It's gonna be a Trini Jam clash. Then Nigeria and Ghana will go head to head, and by May 31st, we'll have the bronze match and the final to crown the Unity Cup champion. The purpose of this tournament is to celebrate culture and football, particularly by bringing together nations with large diasporas in the UK.
See, this Unity Cup, there is nothing unity about it. This one is a fighting cup because with the Nigeria, we get serious beef. Don't be the beef somewhere with the take cook jollof. This one, it be tolo beef. This one, it be the beef somewhere with the take dusuya. You know, the hard one some. The one where if you chew, you go chew son. You never go fi swallow No, but on a more serious note, we actually haven't scored Nigeria in close to 3 years. 3 good years, Let me put that into context then. If your son or daughter was going to SHS Fresh when Ghana last scored Nigeria, and by now they are actually coming to write the wasi. See, and it's not like we actually even scored them that time too. It was 2 draws and we beat them on away goals pair. Not only that, safe, they've been cooking us of late from all corners. If it's the women, if it's the local players, if it's the children too. Not only that, but the last AFCON we had to sit there as Ghanaians and watch Nigeria go all the way to the finals. While Ghana, group stage pair was our portion. See, let me tell you now, it doesn't matter, crowd, that both of us, we don't have our full teams. If Ghana wins this one, we have taken our revenge. Have you heard?
So this week, Ghana take on Nigeria in the Unity Cup in what can only be described as the jollof rice derby. The game on Wednesday night will be held at Brentford in the G-Tech Community Stadium, but I got a couple of problems with this game, I'll be honest. There's a couple of problems I've got with it. First of all, charging £40-50 a ticket for a friendly, and it's not even the main players in the national team, I think is a joke. This is literally called the Unity Cup. You want to get the Afro-Caribbean community united and supporting their teams in numbers, flags, flares, all sorts of ambience. You don't do it by overcharging the fans. The squads aren't as strong as they could be. You've got no Ozimen, no Lookman, of course, the African Player of the Year, no Aina, no Iwobi, no Bassi for Nigeria. For Ghana, no Kudus, no Partey. So some big names missing. But it's always a big game. It's a rivalry. It's a West African derby. I think it'll be a nice match, just spoiled by some admin stuff. But anyway, enough complaining. On to the matches on the pitch. With the 2 squads, Nigeria got a better midfield. They've still got Onyeka, still got Ndidi in there. Got Nathan Tella in the attack as well. So I'm going to go Nigeria to beat Ghana by 2-1 and face either Trinidad and Tobago or Jamaica in the final at the weekend. The coaches will be there, of course. Eric Shell and Otto Addo will be there. Can Nigeria back up coming second at the AFCON with a win against their close rival with Ghana? Or could Ghana do it and call a shock? Because I think if Ghana win, it would be a shock result.
You're wearing Nigerian jersey. I was supposed to put on this. But you see, when I look at this, I look at failure. And I don't want to be part of this.
How can you call Ghana failures when they are going to the World Cup?
How can you call them not failures when they didn't qualify for the AFCON? You're leaving your brother's food and running to eat the food of strangers. The food of strangers is now sweeter than your mother's food.
It depends.
No, I don't want to hear it depends.
Sometimes your brothers don't cook good food. You have to go
what about your mother? What about Mother Africa? That's what they say, Mother Africa. Is that what they say? They didn't say Brother Africa. They say Mother Africa.
Anyway, where Nigeria is going to play Ghana.
Nigeria is going to beat Ghana.
Yes, sorry. Nigeria is going to beat Ghana like they stole the jollof recipe from the Nigerians.
Which they actually did.
Yeah, I think they did. Yeah. And they made a much worse version of it.
A mockery of it.
And Nigeria is going to make a mockery of the Ghanaian national team.
They don't have an attack. They don't have their midfield is only Thomas Partey. Their defense is
Partey might not even be there.
They don't even have a goalkeeper.
They really called up some very interesting names. Meanwhile, Nigeria has an almost full.
What's your prediction?
Squad. I'm thinking 3-0.
Thinking 4-1.
Yeah, fair enough. It's good.
The public of Ghana, the public of Nigeria, the public of Lagos, the public of Kumasi, the public of Accra. Get ready. Your football's ready. Get your football shoes ready because tomorrow is the game. Tomorrow is a football match. It's Ghana versus Nigeria. Oh, this is gonna get bad. All I'm gonna say is that Ghana's gonna win. Like, let's just be real here. Ghana is gonna win the football match. Okay? We already won at the jollof rice, you know. We already win at everything. Say this, yeah. Come back to this video tomorrow when Ghana wins that football match. I'm gonna prove all of you people on TikTok wrong. Nigerians, be scared, petrified. Can't wait for Ghana to win so we can actually hush you guys up. Because you guys always want to be talking about Ghana lost, Ghana's this, Ghana that. No, we're gonna win. Alright? Can't wait for tomorrow when everybody comes on my video and they be like, oh, you were right, Ghana won. I can't wait. I actually can't wait.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I don't have to tell you twice where I'm going to be when this match is playing. Ghana versus Nigeria. And be honest, I didn't buy a ticket to the final because sometimes these lot can disgrace me. But if Ghana win, how you're going to see me streaking on that pitch. Guys, listen to me. I'm not coming for a draw. This ain't IK. I'm not coming for a 2-2, no ballerina, no Desmond. I'm coming there to win. What did he say? He said, all I do is win, no matter what. Got jollof on my mind, I can never get enough. And every morning we are eating wachi. Everybody's place go up. For they can care. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to be there for Ghana. Ghana must go and win. Okay? If we lose, yeah, you're not going to see me on this app for a while. But yeah, I hope we win, mate.
Welcome to my channel. I'm Delicious Army. Here I talk Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, and all the good stuff relating to them. Kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel. People are reacting. It is Ghana versus Nigeria Unity Cup, which is, going to be held on the 28th of May 2025. As you can see on your screen, each ticket for this match is around the $40 to $50. And I'm asking myself, for a friendly match as Nigeria and Ghana, why are you charging people $40 to $50? Well, I know why they are doing that. That's because they know that Nigeria and Ghana are great rivals. This is a match that so many people will be invested in, and they just felt, let's use the opportunity and get some money. But that aside, what are your predictions? Do you think Nigeria is going to come into this match with a banger and smash all the goals, smashable? Or do you think Ghana, as usual, Ghanaian coach Otto Addo will do an amazing job as usual? Or do you think it's to end in a draw? For me, let me predict. I'm predicting a 2-2 draw. Yes, and that's because I want to be patriotic. Yes, I would have said the other way around, but they will come and say, I don't like my country, so let me not go that route. Let me stand in the middle and be safe. Yes, one thing I just wish the Nigerian team would do better in this match is give it their A game. Do not take ring lights to the pitch and start creating content. Focus on the fact that you are there to play football. Why? Because the Ghanaian team you're playing against are prepared. The World Cup qualifiers, you all saw what the Ghanaian coach Otto Addo did with them. You all saw it. You saw it. So the Ghanaian team is not a team that you mess around with. It's not a team that you joke with. It's a team that you have to come in prepared. You have to bring your A game. If not, you will be sent home. And I mean sent home this time around there without any form of consolation. So the Nigerian team, please bring in your A game. Keep this big man character you guys usually display in your foreign clubs. That is the issue the Nigerian team has been having. This big man character. Please bring out your, open your heart and play for your country. Be patriotic for once. The way I'm being patriotic in this video now, wishing you guys a 2-2 draw. Please be patriotic for once, so that Ghana will not score Nigeria 3-0. And for the Ghanaian team, I know that deep down, Ghana will bring in their A game. You know why? They want to prove a point to Nigeria that we are your fathers. We are the father that mothered your father. The Ghanaian team will bring all their A game, because now Nigeria always say, is it not that Ghana, that's not Ghana, that this, that down. So they want to bring in their A game and say, we are the father that mothered your father. Yes, the way our Ghanaian CD is beating your Nigerian Naira is the same way our players will beat your play. But that aside, The Ghanaian team will bring in their A game because they also want recognition. You know, when many of these players play very well at the group stage or in friendly matches like this, it opens more opportunities for them. Many of these foreign clubs will start picking interest in them. Before you know it, they start signing contracts with many of these foreign clubs. And you know that those foreign contracts is where they make a bulk of their money. Yes. How much will the Ghanaian football team pay them for playing matches? No. It is in these their foreign clubs they get a huge bulk of the money they spend, a huge bulk of the money that funds their lavish lifestyle. So I'm very sure a game like this that will have a lot of international interest, Ghanaian team will bring in their A game because trust me, every footballer's dream is to have a standard international club they are playing for. And you know, many of these clubs pay in thousands of dollars, thousands of pounds. So if I were to be a player, I'll definitely put in my A game. But feel free to drop your own opinion in the comment section. Let's know whose prediction will be right. If you predict it right, and by tomorrow your prediction was right, I have a gift for you. But I won't say the gift now, but I have a gift for you. I'm Delicious Army. Yeah, I talk Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, and all the good stuff relating to them. I'll see you my next time, guys. Bye-bye.